In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create consistent product documentation in Confluence. Start by opening Confluence and heading to your product or team space. This is your home base for everything your group is working on, so it's the best place to keep pages organized and easy to find later. If you're part of multiple spaces, choose the one where your product team normally collaborates to keep the documentation centralized. Next, click Create. You'll usually find this at the top of the screen. This opens a fresh page and, more importantly, gives you access to Confluence templates that can speed up your workflow and standardize your content. From here, choose a template that fits your purpose. Product requirements are great when you're defining a feature in detail. A roadmap template helps you communicate timelines and priorities at a glance. Meeting notes are perfect for capturing decisions and follow-ups, and a decision log ensures you have a clear record of what was agreed, when, and why. Pick the one that best matches what you need to communicate today. You can always create additional pages for other purposes later. Once your template is loaded, fill in the essentials: product goals, user needs, requirements, owners, and deadlines. Keep goals outcome-focused and tied to business or user value. For user needs, write from the user's perspective so it's obvious who benefits and how. In the requirements section, be specific and testable. Clarity here prevents rework later. Assign clear owners for accountability, and add realistic deadlines or target milestones to guide delivery. Short paragraphs, bullet-like clarity in sentences, and consistent headings make the page easier to scan. If your work is tracked in Jira, add Jira links. Paste links to epics, stories, or issues so readers can jump straight to the source of truth. These links improve traceability between the plan and the actual work. You can reference key tickets near each requirement so context stays tight and decisions remain auditable. When you're happy with the content, publish the page and share it with stakeholders. Use the share option to notify the right people, and add a short note explaining what you want from them: review, approval, or simply awareness. Clear distribution helps you get timely feedback and keeps everyone aligned. Finally, reuse templates to keep your product documentation consistent. Consistency reduces onboarding time for new teammates, makes status reviews faster, and keeps your organization's knowledge easy to navigate. Over time, refine the template fields you use most so your team's documentation becomes a reliable, repeatable system.